A lot has happened over the Christmas break, and we're going to check back in to see what's happened with Ethereum over that time period, perform some technical analysis and make some predictions on where we can expect to see Ethereum go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Ethereum chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Ethereum or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And the last time we took a look at Ethereum, it was the 20th of December. And we were moving in the range to this point right here. And as you can see, as we anticipated, it broke out. And it broke out to a value up here of 4,155 on the day high on the 23rd. That was really the big day when we had a confirmation of breakout. But unfortunately, something happened. We saw a period of consolidation for a few days, and then we saw a big crash yesterday. Ethereum dropped on that day down to a low of 3,760, and it broke through our long-term uptrend, and that was about 3,860 at that point. As you can see as we zoom out, this has been our uptrend since about the 21st of December. That looks to have failed, although it does appear that today there is a bit of indecision. So let's see what happens in the next few days to see whether or not we are able to quickly recover from this, or if we have unfortunately broken that trend and now we are moving into a new downtrend. Now, where are we able to re-establish some key points of support? Obviously, our key support points at this point in time have failed, so let's bring in some more support points as we move forward. I'd suggest that one of our major points of support right here would be about 5,300 probably, or 5,600 in that range. As you can see, plenty of price action touching that point. I'm going to leave it here because you can see a bit of bounce action occurring on this point on multiple occasions, as well as it is a key point of resistance in the past, as well as you can see back here in September. So leaving that one there, that will be the next support point which needs to hold up, and if that fails, we're moving down to our 200-day moving average sitting at 3,355. Currently we're just sitting above 3,800, which is not awful, but of course those major points have failed. Volume, that has dropped as well, as you can see all the way down there. Not too much going on, bit of consolidation potentially. We need to see a big move in order to keep moving forward. MACD, let's have a look at that one. As you can see, the MACD has crossed the 12-day EMA below the 26-day EMA. That shows us that we are in for a bit of a downtrend, and whilst yes, we have been downtrending essentially since here the 10th of November, we are still going to continue it. We had a brief, nice little green period here over Christmas, a nice little Santa rally, but unfortunately that did not last too long. So this support point for me, sitting at 3,623, 3,629, and about that range, that is looking more likely as a result of that. If we also bring in another indicator as well, the relative strength index, what you will see is that the RSI right now is sitting really low. That is sitting roughly at 40.81 as of this point in time. So overall, how are we going to move forward? Well, it looks like there is still room for us to keep moving in a downwards direction, unfortunately. So I would suspect that we are going to see this support point right here, 3634, tested before probably starting to move in a bit of a horizontal, if not a downward direction. Worst case scenario, as I mentioned, guys, hitting that 200-day moving average at 3,355 if this support point fails. That wraps up today's Ethereum analysis, guys. I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comments section below. Do you think Ethereum is going to be able to recover after those critical support points did unfortunately fail, or do you think we are now on a downwards trajectory? Let me know down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, remember to leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.